welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making Jalapeño Popper Egg Rolls. Let's get cooking. To start, grab a bowl and add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, followed by 2 diced green onions. Then add 1 cup of shredded cheese. Toss in 4 ounces of canned diced jalapeños and a dash of garlic powder. From there, mix it all together until it's nice and creamy. Now, lay out an egg roll wrapper on a clean surface. Then use your finger to rub cold water around all the edges. After that, add about 2 teaspoons of the filling into the center of the wrapper. Next, fold it up, tucking in the sides as you go, and press the edges firmly with a bit of water to seal. That way they won't open while cooking. Now drop them in the deep fryer and cook for no longer than 10 minutes, or until they're golden brown. Be sure to stir occasionally so they fry evenly. Once they're done, set them in a bowl with a napkin to absorb the extra grease. And there you have it, a crispy and delicious egg rolls. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.